like those cute girlies on TikTok. You know, the one with the cool and the I want to be hot. I don't want to be cute anymore. So let's try a new makeup look. Now, this isn't to say that you cannot look good without makeup. I'm adorable. I'm cute. I like it. I just want to look hot and older, you know? So I'm wearing makeup to mature myself a bit. Also, allow me to preface this by saying this is not a tutorial. I don't know how to do makeup, if I'm being very honest. I slap on concealer, do my lips, and call it a day. Maybe eyeliner. Oh, I lost my eyeliner. Dang. I feel like I should do more. Should I do more? I feel like the girlies be doing more. Let me find a reference picture. We're not doing what the girlies do. Is he doing anything? I can't tell. I'm gonna take this off and never put this on again. Bro, y'all ain't see me putting this on and tell me stop putting it on. I didn't notice it was so pigmented. I'm mostly doing this because I'm type bored, but also because I kind of want to maybe change my makeup look. I'm tired of looking like I'm 16, like all honesty. I'm about to be 20. So I'd rather look like a 20-year-old. It's not like I get any benefits looking 16. Before, when I used to look 12, that was cool because I used to get the kids meal. But then I started eating more amount of food than what the kids meal offered. So it didn't really matter. As of right now, I see no benefit to looking 16. So I'd much rather look 20. Low key though, I feel like the secret is eyelashes. And I don't know how to put on eyelashes, but we're going to try today. My eyebrow looks wet and weird, but it's okay. Should I put on eyelashes first? I know people usually put on eyelashes last, but that's usually people who know how to put on eyelashes. So I don't want to do like the whole eye makeup, put on lashes, mess it up. We're gonna put on lashes now. I'm gonna try to wear these lashes that my friend picked out for me. Don't know how to put on lashes, so please lower your expectations. Ugh. How do I open these boxes? Because I just ripped it and I feel like that. I need my tweezers. Oh, I dropped the tweezers. And this is the part where I get confused. Do I take off that clear thing that's already on the lashes or do I leave that? I feel like the answer is take it off, so I'm gonna take it off. I ripped the lashes, so I don't think you were supposed to take it off. Make sure you line it with your eye. First of all, I don't even know what that means. I have so many white heads on my nose right now, you would think I have white freckles. This eyelash thing isn't really working. When I drop the other piece of the eyelash, this is a bad start. Eyelash, where'd you go, Lashy Poo? I lost it. Oh, it's on my shorts. We're gonna do eye makeup first, okay? I'm gonna use Fenty Beauty's palette, Bomb Poussé, in color Nude Beach first. Something that everyone talks about that you genuinely don't notice until you're there is how weird it is to be in your 20s. It's like you're tottering between adulthood, not knowing what you're doing, and a childhood being excited to figure everything out. It's really weird. I stopped using Nude Beach because it was pretty light on my skin, so I went in with the Bare Buns, and I'm gonna darken it up with hot chocolate. Rihanna, I already can't read. Please stop tricking me. With me trying to be more adulty, I've been trying to be more social. I was raised really sheltered where I barely got to go outside for the sake of my safety. And I love my mom for that. Like, thank you. But I missed out on a lot. And I got really comfortable with being by myself to the point where I'm just always by myself. So this year, I really ventured out to be more social. Like, I've been going to more parties. Bro, I kid you not. I went to like 3 social gatherings. Friday, Saturday, Sunday. And that might not sound like a lot, but for me, I go out like once a week and need 2 weeks after that to recuperate. Don't text me, don't talk me, don't do nothing. Please don't. And they were all last minute. So it's not like I was able to prepare in advance for it. I just had to go, which was really stressful for me. But you know, I'm kind of glad I went. It wasn't like, oh my gosh, what have I been missing out? This is the best experience in the world. No, it wasn't like that. It was more of a, oh, this isn't so bad. I guess I could keep doing this. I say that, but I did make a TikTok the other day crying about how I'm tired of being social. So take that with a grain of salt. Can you see anything? I feel like you can't because I can't either. We're gonna use this Beauty Glazed Gorgeous Me eyeshadow tray and use black. Aside from going to social gatherings, I'm also trying to do things like saying hi first. Just basically anything to break the habit of being in my little shell that I've been in for literally forever. Originally, I didn't say hi because I didn't think, well, first of all, we weren't really that cool, or they wouldn't say hi back to me, or they didn't say hi, so why should I say hi? But honestly, just say hi, because what I've noticed is a lot of people, one, are shy and literally think the same exact thing as you, and two, the worst that can happen is they just don't respond because they didn't hear you. And I know that feeling sucks and it's really, really weird, but like, it's also not that deep because they didn't hear you. Just pretend like you didn't say it. Do I sound like a loser? A little bit, but shut up. You know, I'm not realizing I can't see what I'm doing because my contacts aren't in, and anyways. Ow! Abs. Don't know what I'm doing. I'm just brushing stuff. Don't ask me. Cause I don't know. I really don't. LA Pro Concealer in shade Toast. This is probably expired. Boom, straighten that out. And with the other one, which is in shade Espresso, I'm just gonna do some spot concealing. For sure is not my shade. Then I got this Fenty Beauty dupe. I'm gonna use that as contour since it's really dark. Next, I'm gonna take Fenty Pro Filter Concealer in shade 410, I'm guessing. That might just be part of the barcode. And I'm just gonna do little lines. Those aren't lines. Those are dots. Then I'm gonna take my e.l.f. setting mist and mist my face completely because this is just for decoration apparently. Oh, I forgot about my nose. They be doing that too. Ooh, I'm scared. Back to what I was saying. Another thing that I'm doing besides like trying to be more social is just stepping out my comfort zone a lot more, which I guess is trying to be more social, but I mean more so doing stuff like joining a fashion show. I have to edit that video, but I joined a fashion show. I think I accidentally deleted a few clips, but just know I was going through it. Another thing that I'm trying to force myself to do is be okay with rejection, and not even on some I'm asking a guy out type of timing. Just things not going my way. I don't know if it's pride, perfectionism, only child syndrome, but it's something about things not going my way that really just messes up my whole vibe. But if I'm okay with rejection, I think I'll be okay. And also low-key invincible because dudes be asking girls out left and right and they're okay with rejection and they be the ones with the biggest confidence. Put it like that. I got a cute button nose. How did I do that? I'm a makeup artist. Talk to me nice. Now that I've blended everything in with a brush, I'm gonna go in with my beauty blender. Don't be weird. Relax. Just accept it. You're a weirdo. Next, I'm gonna go in with this bronzer that I also got from LA Colors that I got like probably 3 years ago. Shoop, 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 shoop. I don't know what that did, but I'm gonna pretend like it did something. So, ooh. That was the part I was looking forward for whatever, bro. We're gonna bake. I don't really have setting powder, so we're gonna use baby powder. How do I freaking open this? Ouch. Is it baby proofed? Do you open it like juice? How do you open baby powder? Oh, I got it. Oh. I regret my choices. No, we don't. We ball. We got these. I'm just making myself ashy. What is the point of this? Is this serving? I guess we're gonna do eyes. What if I just shove it in my little eye hood? Fashion statement? I think I'm slaying. Whoa. Guys, remind me in a year to throw away my eyelash glue. Oh my gosh, I dropped the glue. I dropped the glue. No. Shucks, my eyelash got cut in the glue. Ah, shoot. I'm gonna do this off camera because it's too much pressure. BRB. I'm not even gonna tell you how long this took me to put on. Partially because I don't know, mostly because thinking about it's gonna give me a set. Anyways, the baby powder was a bad idea. My face looks so freaking dry, so I'm gonna spray it again with the stupid elf setting powder. Excuse the aggression. I'm just really upset. I'm gonna dot this inner area with concealer so it can brighten up just a bit. Then I'm gonna go in with the same fancy and use the color Ballerina. Ooh, that's a pretty color. You know what? Maybe my adultingness doesn't have to be defined through makeup, because the way I'm stressing right now, I don't want to put energy into anything that stresses me at this point in my life. I say that like I'm doing something big. I'm really not, but stress is not fun, especially when I'm feeling it. Is it supposed to be burning? I don't think it's supposed to be burning. Why is it burning? It's burning. It's burning because it's in your eye. That's why it's burning. Oh, it's cool. Next, I'm gonna use the Masquerade Mini by Juvia, and I'm gonna use color Jizza. I'm so sorry. I know I'm butchering this. I need a little brush. Okay, why are they driving so loud? My gosh, highlighter makes everything better. You think learning a language could be a hobby? Like, oh, what's your hobby? Learning languages. I don't have black lipstick, so I'm going to use this NYX Butter Gloss in the shade Lava Cakes for the top. It's just a really dark brown that I'm actually in love with. This isn't sponsored, but it can be NYX. How do y'all pronounce it? Do y'all say NYX or do y'all say NYX? Now that it's on, we're going to blend again, like so. Next, I'm going to go in with the shade Devil's Food Cake. Does this look cute? Because I feel like it doesn't. Okay, it's giving pouty. I just had to change my face a little bit. Should I do blush? I don't usually do blush. Do we risk it? I wouldn't even know what shade to use as blush. Maybe I could use the same shade that I used for my lips. Okay, not bad. I'm gonna go over my lips with this NK Gold lip gel. Okay, so now I'm gonna put in some cute jewelry, change my shirt, do something with my hair to look cute, I guess. BRB. This is the final look. I'm gonna insert a bunch of pictures and videos from my phone so you can see like the difference in camera. If you got it, it ain't a question. Oh, it ain't no one for guessing. I feel really soft. And I'm not really in my soft girl era, so I don't really like it, but it's cute, it's cute. Anyways, if you excuse me, now I'm about to take a bunch of pictures and videos on Instagram because I didn't do this for 2 hours for no reason. And then I'm gonna go do laundry because I do have chores. Are we gonna walk around looking like this? Yes. It doesn't really help that I was watching Queen Charlotte because now I'm like, I have to get ready to do my house duties. Mary, get my gown ready. Mary's my servant. Bye.